Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get small business grant of $20,000 step by step. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $45,000 business loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And in this video, I will take you on a tour of its application as well, step by step, and I will tell you each and everything in detail when it comes to the eligibility criteria, as well as all the perks and the documents you need in order to apply for this grant. So without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here is the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So finally, after a lot of requests, comments, messages and emails, right here in front of you, the opportunity is for Denver, Colorado. Yes, I know that I've been receiving a lot of messages from you guys that, hey, when are you going to upload something for Denver, Colorado? So right here is for West Colfax, Denver, Colorado, and this is an amazing opportunity because this is the biggest grant that any district, or you can say any city or state, is giving to its small businesses because of the pandemic. Yes, this is an amazing opportunity, and I would like you to watch this video please till the end, because this is a big opportunity, because in this one you can get up to $20,000 of grant, and you know that grant means free money, and I'm going to take you on a tour of it. So let's see what they are doing and why they are giving this grant and what you can do with this grant. So remember, this is not the only opportunity for you. Yes, Colorado is coming up with a lot of opportunities. So yes, you can actually get 15,000 more on top of your $20,000 grant, and this is an amazing opportunity, and that 15,000 is also coming in near future. So please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, because I will make a video on that $15,000 separately as well, because it's coming, I believe, in next week. So please don't forget to subscribe. So now let's see that what they actually asking and how you can get it. So you can get actually the pandemic relief grant up to from $6,000 to $20,000, and believe me, this is the biggest one I've ever seen in any state. So Colorado and the people of Colorado, you have some amazing opportunities in your hand, so don't let this opportunity slip away from your hand, because this is a grant, and you know that grant means free money. You will not have to pay a single penny back to anyone at all. So yes, now let's see that what are the things you can use this funds for, or these grants for. So the first thing they say that the examples are plastic sheets, and of course the testing of employees, equipments of social distancing, tables, chairs, sun or rain shades, or you can say that winterization of outdoor seating, tenting, propane heaters, and etc. So you know, they actually are giving you this grant to cover your winter expenses, as well as you can manage your business when it comes to social distancing and pandemic management. So yes, you can do that. Now what they require, and they require some really important documents for you. So what they are actually saying that you have to show them that your sale or your profits or your revenue has been decreased because of the pandemic. So you have to show them by presenting some of the proofs, and the proofs are bank records, point of sale receipts, profits and loss statements, of course your tax filing, whatever you did in the last year, and your expenses receipt as well. So remember, if you are going to spend some money, or you require some money in order to manage your business when it comes to pandemic as well as for the winter, so So you have to provide them a projection or the receipts, you can say the pre-receipts for the things you're going to buy. So by looking at that, they can give you that grant. So remember, they will give you the grant between $6,000 to $20,000. So make sure whatever you do, your projections should be accurate. And I always tell you, never ever ever lie in any application, whether it's for grant or any sort of pandemic loan, because these things will have very severe consequences on your personal life as well as on your business. So never ever lie in any of the applications, so please keep that in mind. So these are the things that you require in order to get this grant of $20,000, and this is an amazing opportunity. They have actually obtained $500,000 in the pandemic relief fund. Remember to apply as soon as possible, and they have plenty of funds. So if you even share this video with someone that you know, it will not affect your application as well. Yes, it is first come first serve basis, so as soon as you watch this video till the end, please apply as soon as possible so you can reserve your spot and get this grant of $20,000. Now let's see how the application looks like and what are the things you need to do in order to get this grant. I already told you about all the bank records and all the documents that you need to provide, and remember, the projections are really important. And they also said that please present information so that we can determine your gross revenues from the post-pandemic period of time compared to the same period in 2019. So keep that in mind. This is a really important information. Now let's click on the application and see how it looks like. And the countdown begins. 3, 2, 1. Let's click. So as soon as you click on it, this page will open, and you remember I already told you that right after this there's another grant coming of $15,000, means $20,000 plus $15,000 is $35,000 in total. Yes, they are going to have one more grant of $15,000. So the people of Colorado, you are really fortunate people. Believe me, you guys are getting a lot of things, and you have the rental assistance program as well. If you want to watch that video, I'm going to upload that video after this video as well. So please subscribe to the channel and like this video if you would like to watch that video, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload both of these videos, the $15,000 one or the home assistance program as well, and it will assist you with your rent or your mortgage. So now let's see how the application looks like. So the application require your business name, of course, your operation location of your business, of course, is it in Colorado, Denver, and then of course, are you in the cannabis industry? If you are, then I'm afraid to say you are not eligible for this grant if you are in the cannabis industry. And the other one is number of full-time employees, of course. Full-time employees, equivalent employees prior to the onset of pandemic, right? So the thing is, like, you have to tell them that how many employees you have. Your grant totally will depend on the number of your employees, so keep that in mind. This is a really important question. The next one is that in the business facing, or is the business facing economic hardship due to pandemic, public health emergency? So yes, of course, if you had the loss of revenue or the decrease in the revenue, so you can definitely click on yes. And if your business is a non-profit, does it support economic development? The great thing about this one as well, the non-profits are also eligible for the grant, and this is an amazing opportunity. Not a lot of states actually allow non-profit to get the grants. So this one they do exactly, so please do it as soon as possible. So I'm not gonna stretch this video a lot because the next questions that you're gonna see are pretty internal to your business, so you can click on save and continue later, or save and continue, and then you can definitely put your information right there. They will require you to upload some of the documents such as your profit and loss statement, your bank statement, so make sure that you have all the documents with you, and then you can get this grant in next 48 to 72 business hours. And this is an amazing opportunity. So please like this video if you really like our content, and remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $45,000 business loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please like this video. It helps the channel grow. Also, it motivates us to create great content for you like this one. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.